This is a 12-row repeat worked on a multiple of 6 plus 1. I have 19 stitches here for this sample, and this is reversible. For row 1, I'm going to knit the first stitch and then begin the pattern repeat, and that is purl 5, knit 1. For row 2, you start by purling the first stitch, and then your repeat for row 2 is knit 5, purl 1. Now we're going to repeat rows 1 and 2 more times. So for row 3, we're going to knit the first stitch and begin our repeat, which is purl 5, knit 1. Row 4, you purl the first stitch before beginning your repeat, and then the repeat is knit 5, purl 1. So that was our first repeat of rows 1 and 2. Row 5, we knit our first stitch and then begin the repeat, which is purl 5, knit 1. And oh, don't know what that is. Okay, for row 6, you will purl your first stitch and then begin your repeat of knit 5, purl 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch. So where we have the purl bumps, we'll now have the stockinette stitch. For row 7, you start by purling the first stitch, and then your pattern repeat is knit 5, purl 1. Row 8, you knit your first stitch and then begin your pattern repeat of purl 5, knit 1. And row 9, purl the first stitch, and of course your repeat is knit 5, purl 1. So you can see how we're switching here between the purl bumps and the stockinette fabric. Row 10, you knit your first stitch, and then purl 5, knit 1 for the rest of the row. For row 11, you are purling the first stitch, and it's knit 5, purl 1 across the row. And finally, row 12, knit the first stitch and begin your purl 5, knit 1 repeat. And then you would just repeat those 12 rows for your pattern.